The Québec Metallurgy Centre has a complete welding laboratory. An ABB robot connected to a Fronius CMT advanced power source, which allows GTAW of aluminum, steel, stainless steel, nickel, and titanium alloys, as well as surface reloading. It is also possible to attach a galvanized steel plate to an aluminum plate. A FANUC robot connected to a Lincoln power source allows for GTAW of aluminum, steel, stainless steel, and nickel alloys. This device has a system for detecting the assembly position before welding and seam tracking through the arc. A mechanized submerged arc welding bench is used for welding thick plates that require a high deposition rate. A mechanized GTAW bench with a cold wire feed. This equipment welds on aluminum and stainless steel at constant speed torch movement. An automatic plasma cutting table that performs rapid cuts of steel plates in various shapes, up to a thickness of 3/8 of an inch. It can also cut stainless steel and aluminum. An argon welding enclosure used for welding reactive metals like titanium and zirconium with the GTAW and PAW processes. A mechanized PAW apparatus that allows for a more concentrated arc, which produces deep and narrow welds. It is used for stainless steels, titanium, zirconium, and nickel alloys. The laboratory is also equipped with a variety of manual welding equipment.